Next question, evaluate 8p3 second p of 6,4. We have already learnt about the formula for permutations, right? Definition of permutation, that is NPR, okay, permutation, that is number of arrangements in n things taking r at a time, that is NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, okay. So here let us find first one 8p3, that is equal to, here n is equal to 8, r is equal to 3, so 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 3 factorial, that is 8 factorial by 5 factorial. See, 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial. Here 5 factorial cancelled, so remaining 8 into 7 into 6, that is equal to 336. Okay, now let us find the second one, P of 6,4. See how to find. See, we know that this NPR, okay, we know that NPR can be written as P of NR, okay, NPR can be written as P of NR, that is equal to, that is NPR is equal to P of NR. So same formula. So P of 6,4, here also n is equal to 6, r is equal to 4. So that is equal to 6p4, that is equal to 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 4 factorial, that is 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, that is equal to, here 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So 2 factorial cancelled. So that is equal to 6 5s are 30. That is 330. 30 into 12. 12 3s are 36. Okay, 360. Okay, 360. Next question is, if 5p of 4n is equal to 6p of 5n minus 1, find n. Okay, so here also let us apply that formula, permutation formula. See here p of 4n, that is nothing but, we know that p of nr, that is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, right? So here n is equal to 4, r is equal to n, okay. So 4 factorial, that is equal to, p of 4n is equal to 4 factorial divided by n minus r. So 4 minus n factorial, right? And next, see, let us take this RHS, 6 into, okay, p of 5n minus 1, that is equal to, here also apply the same formula, 5 factorial divided by 5 minus n minus 1, okay. So when we multiply this minus to each term, so it will be n plus 1, okay, factorial, that is equal to 5 factorial divided by 6 minus n factorial. Understood? See here it is n minus r, right? So 5 minus, here r is n minus 1, so that is 5 minus n, when we should multiply this minus to this, right? So minus plus 1, okay, that is 6 minus n factorial, okay. Now let us take this one, 5 into, okay, 5 into here 4 factorial divided by 4 minus n factorial, that is equal to 6 into 5 factorial divided by 6 minus n factorial, okay, that is equal to, that implies here, see 4 factorial, here also 5 factorial, in there 4 factorial, 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 factorial, that 4 factorial is cancelled. See here this 5 was also cancelled, right? See 5 into 4 factorial is nothing but 5 factorial, so this 5 factorial cancelled, okay. So here 1, Okay, this 5 factorial cancelled. So 1 by 4 minus n factorial, that is equal to 6 divided by 6 minus n factorial. Cross multiply. So we will get 6 minus n factorial, that is equal to 6 into 4 minus n factorial. Okay. Now here we will write it as, see, 6 minus n, okay, the next term 6 minus n minus 1, okay, next 6 minus n minus 2 factorial, okay. See, see 10 factorial, how can we write 10 into, okay, then next minus 1, right, 10 minus 1, that is 9 into 10 minus minus 1, that is 10 minus 2, okay. So 6 minus n minus 2 factorial, that is 10 factorial is nothing but 10 into 9 into 8 factorial, right, that is 10 into 9 is nothing but 10 minus 1 into 8 is nothing but 10 minus 2 factorial. So in the same way here also we have written. So here that is equal to 6 into 4 minus n factorial. Okay, that implies, see here, 6 minus n into 6 minus n minus 1, that is 5 minus n, okay, 5 minus n. It is 6 minus 2, that is 4, so 4 minus n factorial, that is equal to 6 into 4 minus n factorial. See, this 4 minus n factorial cancelled. Okay, that implies here multiply these two. So 6 into 5, 30, 6 into minus n minus 6n minus n into 5 minus 5n minus, sorry, plus n square, that is equal to 6. Okay, that implies, see here it will be n square. See here we will get a quadratic equation, n square minus 11n plus 30 minus 6, that is equal to 0. That implies n square minus 11n plus 24 is equal to 0. So here we have got a quadratic equation n square minus 11n plus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, see we can write it as, see, n square minus, we can write it as 8n minus 3n plus 24, that is equal to 0. So that here we can take n outside, n into n minus 8, okay, and here also take minus 3 outside, okay, so that we will get n minus 8, okay, 3 into n minus 8, right, and take n minus 8 outside, n minus 8 into n minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, n minus 8 is equal to 0 or n minus 3 is equal to 0. So, n is equal to 8 and 3. Okay. And here we know that in NPR, okay, in NPR, R should be less than or equal to n. Remember, R should be less than or equal to n. Okay. That means, see here, this n should be less than 4. Okay. This n should be less than 4. Therefore, here n is equal to 8 is not possible. Okay. So, the value of n is 3. Okay. The value of n is equal to 3. Okay. N is equal to 8 is not possible because we know that in NPR, here R should be less than 4. That means, see here, P of 4n means what? 4Pn. That is in the form of permutation formula NPR, right? So here n should be less than 4. Okay. Therefore, n value is 3. If P9R, that is equal to 3024, find R. Okay. Now first let us write LHS. P9R, that is equal to, that is 9PR. Okay. 9 factorial divided by 9 minus r factorial, right? Because p n r is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, right? So 9 factorial divided by 9 minus r factorial. Okay. So here let us compare this one. That is P9R, that is equal to 3024, implies P9R is 9 factorial divided by 9 minus R factorial, that is equal to 3024. Okay. That implies, now here let us take this 9 minus R factorial. Okay, here let us write 9 factorial as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, divided by 9 minus R factorial, that is equal to here 3024. Okay, and here see this 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, 9 8s are 72, it is 7 6 are 42. So this multiplication is nothing but 3024. That you should check. Okay, see, it should be cancelled, some should be cancelled, then only we would be able to find the value of r. Okay, so you should check the value, what is the multiplication of this. Okay, so here we will get 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 is equal to 3024. Okay, so we can write it as 3024 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 9 minus r factorial, that is equal to 3024. Okay, so this 3024 is cancelled. So remaining, see, it is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 is nothing but 5 factorial, right? So that implies 5 factorial divided by 9 minus r factorial, that is equal to 1. Okay, that implies 5 factorial is equal to 9 minus r factorial. Okay, so 9 minus r is equal to 5. Okay, 5 factorial is equal to 9 minus r factorial means 9 minus r is equal to 5. 9 minus r is equal to 5 implies 9 minus 5 is equal to r, that implies r is equal to 4. Okay, so the value of r is 4. Look at the next question. How many different numbers greater than 5000 can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 1, 5, 9? Okay, given digits 0, 1, 1, 5, 9. Okay, total there are 5 digits. Okay, one is repeated, and here see what is we have to, that is the number greater than 5000, right? So the numbers greater than 5000 will have either 5 or 9. Okay, either 5 and 9 in the first place. Okay, for 5 digits. So either 5 and 9. Okay, either 5 or 9 in the first place. So here what is the number of 5 digits? Okay, what is the number of 5 number digits at first place? Number of 5 digit numbers at first place is 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Why? Because see, here 1 is repeated, right? Therefore total 4 numbers. Okay, so 4 factorial, out of 4 numbers we have to select 2, right? That means 2, that is 5 and 9. Okay, we know that the numbers greater than 5000, right? So here the first digit should be 5 or 9. Okay, so this number greater than 5000 will have either 5 or 9 in the first place. Okay, therefore the number of 5 digit numbers at first place is 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. That is equal to 4 into 3, 12. Okay. Now here next, See here 5-digit numbers. Next similarly we will find 9-digit numbers. Okay. So number of 9-digit numbers at first place is equal to, here also out of 4 numbers, so 4 digits, 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, that is also 12. Therefore, the total number can be formed with these digits is total numbers can be formed, the number of is 12 plus 12, that is equal to 24. Therefore, 24 numbers can be formed with these digits greater than 5000. Next question. How many words can be formed from the letters of the word Sunday? How many of these begin with a D? See here, from the word Sunday, we have to write all the words. Okay, we have to form all the words. So here total there are 6 words, 6 letters are there, right? So 6 letters. So here we have to find the number of arrangements of 6 things taken all at a time. Okay. See here this problem is of permutation. Why? Why it is permutation means, see here order matters. Okay. Why? Because see Sunday. Okay. Next I will write USNDAY. See all these are different. Okay. So here order matters. Order is important. Therefore this problem is of permutation. Okay. And that is nothing but number of arrangements in 6 things taken all at a time. Okay. So here we can write number of arrangements taken all at a time is, there are 6 letters. Okay. So 6P6. Why? Because 6 things taken all at a time. So 6 letters and taking all at a time, 6 at a time. So that is equal to 6P6 is nothing but 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 6 factorial, that is 6 factorial itself. Okay. That is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 30. 30 for the 120, 120 into 6, that is 720. So here 720 words can be formed from the word Sunday. Okay, see the next question. How many of these begin with D? Okay, see here we have to form the words begin with D. Okay, and that means all the words started with a B, right? D, right? Starting with a D. So here D, okay, I will write D, then S-U-N-A-Y, okay, then next letter D, S-N-A-U-Y, okay, again D, S-A-U-Y, etc. See all the words started with the, begin with the D, okay. Therefore, now here we don't consider this first letter. So after that, here we have to arrange, right? Here we have to arrange. Totally we should not arrange. See here, don't consider first letter. Then here we have to arrange. How many letters are there? 5 letters. See, we have to arrange from 5 letters. That means number of arrangements of 5 things taken all at a time. Okay. So here we can write number of arrangements taken all at a time is 5P5. That means number of arrangements, here we have to write, okay, number of arrangements in 5 things taken all at a time, that is equal to, is 5P5, that is equal to 5 factorial, that is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 20, 60, 120. So here 120 words can be formed. These words begin with D. Next question. Evaluate 14C3 second n plus 1 Cn. See the combination. We have combination formula NCR, that is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay, remember NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Here n factorial divided by n minus r factorial is nothing but NPR, permutation. Okay, NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So by using this we will find the 14C3. Okay, first one, 14C3 is equal to, here n is equal to 14, r is equal to 3. So 14 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 14 minus 3 factorial, that is equal to 14 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 11 factorial. Okay, so here 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 11 factorial. So here 11 factorial cancelled. Then here 3 factorial is nothing but 6, right? 3 into 2 into 1, so 6. So it is cancelling, 6 2s are. So 14 into 13 into 2, that is equal to, here 14 into 26, that is equal to 24, 2, 8, 8, 2. So 364, right? Yes, 364. So 364. Next one, n plus 1 Cn. N plus 1 Cn, that is equal to n plus 1 factorial divided by n factorial into n minus n plus 1 factorial, right? Okay, NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So n plus 1 Cn, here in place of n plus 1, in place of r, n. So n plus 1 factorial, that is equal to n plus 1 Cn is equal to n plus 1 factorial divided by n factorial into n minus n plus 1 factorial. Okay, that is, see, n plus 1 factorial divided by n factorial into, see here, we can write it as n minus n, okay, minus 1. Okay, that is equal to n plus 1 factorial divided by, here n minus n cancelled, so remaining minus 1 into, here n factorial. Okay, that is equal to, sorry, here n minus r, sorry, here I have made mistake here. See, n factorial, because r factorial into n minus r factorial, right? R factorial into n minus r factorial. Here n is nothing but n plus 1. Okay, in place of n plus 1. So n plus 1 minus n factorial. Okay, n plus 1 minus n minus r. N minus r, n plus 1 minus n. Okay, that is equal to n plus 1 factorial divided by n factorial. Here n minus n cancelled, so only remaining 1. Okay, that is equal to n plus 1 factorial divided by n factorial. Here n plus 1 factorial can be written as n plus 1 into n factorial, right? Divided by n factorial. So this n factorial is cancelled. So n plus 1 is the answer. Look at the next question. If NC4 is equal to NC6, find 12Cn. It is given that NC4 is equal to NC6. See, note down here, if NCP is equal to NCQ, then either P is equal to Q or N is equal to P plus Q. Okay, should keep in your mind. Okay, that is, if NCP is equal to NCQ, then either P is equal to Q or N is equal to P plus Q. Here we have to find the value of N. See, if you substitute these values, that means combination formula, see, you will be stuck in between. Okay, so just remember, if NCP is equal, because we have to find the value of N, then only we will be able to find the 12Cn, right? A value of 12Cn. So here we need to find the value of N. So remember this one. So if NCP is equal to NCQ, either P is equal to Q or N is equal to P plus Q. Here P is not equal to Q, right? Therefore N is equal to P plus Q. Okay? Here NCP is equal to NCQ. Here P is not equal to Q. Therefore N is equal to P plus Q. That means N is equal to 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10. See, here we have got value of N. Okay. Now directly we can find 12Cn. 12Cn. Here, see, 12Cn. So 12Cn is 10. Okay. Now apply the formula. 12 factorial divided by 10 factorial into 12 minus 10 factorial. Okay. That is equal to 12 factorial divided by 10 factorial into 2 factorial. See, here 10 factorial cancelled because 12 can be written as 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. So 12 into 11 into 10 factorial divided by 10 factorial into 2 factorial is nothing but 2 itself. So here 10 factorial is cancelled and 2 ones are 2 6 are. So 66 is the value of 12Cn. If 24Cx is equal to 24C 2x plus 3, find x. See, here it is given that 24Cx is equal to 24C 2x plus 3. So it is in the form of NCP is equal to NCQ, right? And we know that if NCP is equal to NCQ, then either P is equal to Q or N is equal to P plus Q, right? Therefore, see, let us apply this one. First one, okay? Here x is equal to, P is equal to Q, x is equal to 2x plus 3, okay? That is x minus 2x is equal to 3, that is minus x is equal to 3, so x is equal to minus 3. See, here we have got the value of x is equal to minus 3. That means, see, 24C minus 3. Okay, see, and we know that for a combination NCR, remember, R must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, for a combination NCR, R must be greater than 0. That means R should be positive. Okay, therefore it is impossible. Now let us go to next one. Okay, we know that if NCP is equal to NCQ, either P is equal to Q or N is equal to P plus Q. So it is not possible. Now let us move to next one, that is N is equal to P plus Q. That means 24 is equal to x plus 2x plus 3. Okay, 24 is equal to N is equal to P plus Q. Okay, x plus 2x plus 3. That implies 24 is equal to 3x plus 3. That implies, take 3 left side, so it will be 21. 21 is equal to 3x, that implies x is equal to 7. 7 3s are 21. Okay, so here we have got x is equal to 7 and it is a positive value. Okay, therefore the value of x is 7. If 8C 8CR minus 7C3 is equal to 7C2. Find R. It is given 8CR minus 7C3 is equal to 7C2. Okay, let us take this one here. 8CR is equal to 7C2 plus 7C3. And one more thing. See, we know that NCR, okay, plus NCR plus 1, that is equal to N plus 1 CR plus 1. Remember this formula, that is NCR plus NCR plus 1, that is equal to N plus 1 CR plus 1. See, by applying the formulas, that is formula of combination, you will get the same thing. Okay, NCR plus NCR plus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR plus 1. So now let us apply this formula here. See, it is in the form of NCR plus NCR plus 1, right? See, NCR plus NCR plus 1, right? So therefore, here we can write 8CR is equal to, it is equal to N plus 1 CR plus 1, right? That is, here what is N? N is 7, C, R plus 1. See, R plus 1 is nothing but 3, right? So 7C3. Sorry, 7 plus 1, right? N plus 1, right? N is 7. So 7 plus 1, C3. That is equal to 8C3. So 8CR is equal to 8C3. That means R is equal to 3. This implies R is equal to 3. From a group of 15 cricket players, a team of 11 players to be chosen. In how many ways can this be done? See here, total there are 15 cricket players. Okay, so number of players is equal to 15. Number of players to be chosen is equal to 11. Right, so 11 players we have to choose. So in how many ways can this be done? See here, this problem is nothing but it is the combination. Why? Here no order, right? So order does not matter, therefore the combination problem. So here that is nothing but, that is the number of ways of choosing 11 cricket players out of 15 cricket players. Okay, out of 15 cricket players, we have to choose 11 cricket players, right? So therefore, we can write the number of ways of choosing 11 cricket players out of, see, number of ways of choosing 11 cricket players out of 15 players is 15C11. Okay, that is equal to 15 factorial divided by 11 factorial into 15 minus 11, 4 factorial. Okay, that is equal to here 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 factorial divided by 11 factorial into 4 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is equal to, here 11 factorial cancelled and 4 3s are 12, 12 is cancelled and 2 1s are 2 7s are. So 15 into 7 into 13, that is 35. So 10 into 13, that is 3 5s are 15, 0 1, 3 1s are 3, next 5, 0, okay, 6. So 1 3 6 5 ways we can select the 11 cricket players out of 15 cricket players.